Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Today we will present about the usage of the modal of request words. Let me introduce myself. My name is Aulia Putri Santika.
My name is Hilma Salsabila.
What are modal verbs? Modal verbs are helping or auxiliary verbs that express ideas like ability, permission, and asking for assistance. Many modal verbs have more than one meaning. They are always followed by the simple form of a verb. Common modal in request. Can, used for informal and direct requests. Would, used for polite and slightly more formal requests. Would, used for very polite and formal requests. Will, less formal than would, used for requests and offers. Might, used mainly for formal requests or asking permissions. Form structure. First, basic structure. Modal plus subject plus base verb. Second, negative form for refusal or negative request. Modal verb plus subject plus not plus base verb. Third, indirect polite request. Would you mind plus verb in. Using can in request. The modal can in request is widely used to make requests because it is simple, direct, and polite enough for daily conversation and between friends. Example, can you pass the salt? Can you bring that back? Using could in request. The modal could in request commonly used to make them more formal, more polite, and less direct. It is frequently preferred in formal or semi-formal contexts. Example, could you lend me your book? Could you open the window? Using would in request. The modal would in request words is used to make very polite and formal requests. It is often preferred when the speakers want to sound respectful, considerate, and less direct, especially in formal or professional settings. Example, would you help me carry that? Would you help me carry these boxes? Would you wait for a moment? Using will in request. The modal will in request implies asking for someone's willingness to perform an action. Unlike commands, it is softer and more courteous, making it appropriate in everyday conversations. Example, will you able to attend the event? Will you come to the meeting? Using might in request. The modal might in request used to politely and formally request permission, often in professional conversation. Example, might I introduce myself? Might I ask who is responsible for this project? Adding please in request. Adding please to modal verb in request sentence, making the tone softness and makes the request sounds more polite. Please can be placed either after the subject or at the end of the sentence when using modal verbs such as can, could, will, would, and might. Example, can you please help me? Could you pass me the book, please? Will you close the door, please? Would you please be quiet? Might I please ask the questions?
Next slide. Making requests more polite. The pair would you mind usually used to make polite requests or ask for permission. It is very common and respectful way to ask someone to do something without sounding too direct. Would you mind plus verb in. Example, would you mind closing the window? Would you mind holding her for a moment? Would you mind helping me with this task? Next slide. Negative request. A negative request with modal verbs asks someone not to do something by adding not after the modal verb, creating a command or request. Modal verb plus subject plus not plus base verb. Example, can you not make so much noise? Could you not speak so loudly? Would you not disturb us? And will you not talking during the presentation? Next slide. Responding to request affirmative. The 1. Yes, of course. 2. Sure, no problem. 3. I'd be happy to. 4. Certainly. And 5. I'd be glad to help. Example. A. Would you mind helping me with these tasks? B. Yes, I'd be glad to help. Next, responding to request negative. 1. Unfortunately, I can. Sorry, I can. 3. I'd like to, but I can. 4. No, I'm busy right now. 4. No, sorry. Example. A. Would you come with me to a concert? B. I'd like to, but I can't. Next, the model for invitation. 1. Can you come to my birthday party? 2. Call you join us for dinner this weekend? 3. Would you join us for the office gathering tomorrow? And 4. Will you be attending to my wedding anniversary? Next, the model for making overs. 1. Can I help you carry those books? 2. Could you need some help? 3. Would you like some help for your report? And 4. Might I give you some advice? Next, the matters of context in the model of request. Modal such like at, modal such like can, could, would, will, and might are used to make requests more polite. The choice of modal depends on the context, such as the situation, the relationship between the speakers, and the level of formality. 1. Casual or informal context. Can you grab me some slice of cake? No need extra punctuation on so natural. 2. Professional or formal context. Could you provide an update on the project by Friday? Showing politeness and ample possibilities without pressure. Next, common mistake. 1. Adding to after modal verbs. Can you to help me? Can you help me? 2. Using double modals. Could you will come? Could you come? Or will you come? Overrushing modals, making the sentence unclear. And 3. Using inappropriate tense with modals. For example, can you help me? Inside of can you help me? Conclusion. So, in conclusion, we must ask modal appropriately to avoid confusion when making a request. Each modal has its own level of formality. We can use them depending on the situation and who we are talking to. For example, we can use the modal can with friends and family in casual conversation. Others, such as could, can be used with teacher or colleague ways. Would you and might are very polite and formal, used when speaking with stranger or in professional situation.
That's all our presentation.
Thank you!